James. OKHIOKPAMWONYI EHOLOR. So it's going to be fun. Because the Bible said a good father leaves inheritance for his children's children. As you can see, this is one of the varieties we have in the house. So I'm going to take you around the premises. And we are going to do back. That is what we call back to back on all men do they hold their cloth to drink for everywhere. So bros, abeg. So as you can see, we have the floor. So men mat. Daddy this thing who did na daddy picture na dey the can water. Everywhere mat. So as you see this see everywhere box. Everywhere boss. Everywhere suburban. So everywhere man. So we are at Elysium. So take you around. There's the premises. Now this man they do the suya, and this man mark the suya ground. So guess what they falling. We are live direct. Guess what they falling. So everything is well organized. Can see the entrance? Yeah. So the children really make sure that everything is okay. So I'm taking you direct. The live band.
non, elles autres non. Elles autres non.
The wildlife. Yeah, what give me it? Nine. So we are going to come back. We're going to come back. We are going offline now because there are some preparation that is still going on. So we're going to come back. So there are some preparation that are still going on. We'll come back and the event will continue of late by James. OKHIOKPAMWONYI EHOLOR. Going to be back and response. Say thank you for now.